The VETROO AL800 full tower PC case is a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a stylish and high-performance case. This case boasts a door-opening design with 4mm thick tempered glass, allowing you to clearly see the stunning ARGB lighting and your components. The convenient door-opening feature makes assembling and upgrading your PC a breeze. One of the highlights of the AL800 is its ARGB LED strip and 4 pre-installed 120mm addressable RGB fans. These can be synchronized with your motherboard via a 5V3-pin interface, ensuring a cohesive and vibrant lighting experience. The crafted design of the case, with its youthful and energetic appearance, makes it truly unique. Performance-wise, the VETROO AL800 does not disappoint. The 3D mesh front panel is not only stylish but also functional, providing maximum airflow to keep your system cool and clean. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Compatibility is another strong suit of the AL800. It supports up to a 360mm liquid cooling radiator in the front or top, and can accommodate up to 10 120mm fans. Whether you have an EATX, ATX, MATX, or IDX motherboard, this case has you covered. It also fits all RTX 40 series graphics cards, with a maximum GPU length of 425mm, ensuring you can house even the most powerful GPUs. Cable management is made easy with 2 soft silicone cord grommets, helping you keep your build tidy and organized. This is a crucial feature for anyone who values a clean-looking setup and efficient airflow. The powerful I/O panel on the VETROO AL800 includes a Type-C port, one USB 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, and a microphone-headphone combo jack, along with power, reset, and LED control buttons. This ensures you have all the connectivity options you need right at your fingertips. Overall, the VETROO AL800 full tower PC case is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance, visually striking PC. Its combination of stylish design, superior airflow, extensive compatibility, and user-friendly features make it one of the best options on the market today. If you're looking for a case that offers both form and function, the VETROO AL800 is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.